Hi, my name's Karen from Crazy Acres Mango Farm and Cafe, 60k south of Darwin at Berry Springs. We've got a 25-acre mango farm there where we value add all of our products and sell through the cafe and then around Darwin as well. Just been at the FIAL Innovation Inspiration networking event here in Darwin. Talking about how innovative you can be around food products, predominantly agribusiness. You'll be able to learn how to channel your ideas into actual going forward into a project and hopefully making that into a business further down the track. Highlight today, seeing other people's inspirational stories, I guess, and seeing that even the craziest things, banana flour, that's who would think that that's possible. That the craziest ideas can actually turn into being an innovative business going forward.